Hey, it's Killbite here, and this is going to be a quick video on fixing the fuel leak here where you fill it and it goes down and there's a little drip on this back tank. So I'm going to show you how I fix that. So I'm under the rear of the truck. There's where the fuel comes in. You got a metal tube there, and then you got a rubber or whatever it's made out of, and it uses just a regular clamp to connect it. There's also on mine at least, I think it's a ECC, which is again metal with a hose, rubber hose that connects it, and it's got a clamp on it. Now there's rarely gas in that, it's mostly fumes. So mine was dripping from right here. So I tried tightening the clamp, and that wasn't enough. It was on there pretty tight. So what I ended up doing is taking a little WD-40, spraying it here, kind of loosen that up. I then backed it out. I pulled the rubber a little bit this way, and then I retightened the clamp, and that has stopped the leak. Now, if you look over towards the gas tank, this hose goes over the frame rail and then connects to the gas tank. If that one's leaking, you're gonna have to drop the gas tank. That'd be fun, but it's just a little bit. There's a place where it ponds right here. That's where the gas will set, and so it was just seeping out there. Little drops would drip. So on the front tank, you got your metal hose that comes down, and again the ECC, and it does the same, but it's a little less ponding there, so you're less likely to leak. This one's got a metal piece there. I got the hose going over it. Interesting, but that one, and then it goes down to the top of the tank. I don't know that you can get a screwdriver on that, maybe, without removing the tank. It's maybe, if you could use a stubby screwdriver, it might work. But that's the one for if it's a the front mount tank. And this one obviously is a lot easier to get out if you need to. There's nothing underneath it. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. Good luck with yours. And before just filling it up at the gas station, I poured a little gas from the can in just to make sure it wasn't going to drip, and it is not.